Imagine this. You're sitting at your kitchen table, surrounded by a pile of bills and a growing sense of dread. You've tried countless budgeting apps and methods, but nothing seems to stick. You're desperate to take control of your finances, but it feels like an insurmountable task. Have you ever wondered if there's a budgeting tool that can truly help you achieve financial freedom? One that doesn't just track your expenses, but also guides you towards a brighter financial future. Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of YNAB, a popular budgeting app that promises to do just that. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is more than just a budgeting app. It's a financial philosophy that teaches you how to spend your money intentionally. Unlike traditional budgeting methods that focus on tracking your expenses, YNAB emphasizes tracking your income and allocating it towards specific categories. Tracking income. So, does YNAB track income? Yes, it does. But it's not as simple as just entering your monthly salary. YNAB encourages you to think about your income as a resource that needs to be allocated towards specific goals. This could be anything from paying off debt to saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund. The zero-based budgeting method. One of the core principles of YNAB is zero-based budgeting. This means that every dollar of your income needs to be accounted for. You'll allocate your money towards different categories like housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. The goal is to ensure that your income equals your expenses, hence the term zero-based. Benefits of tracking income with YNAB. Tracking your income with YNAB offers several benefits. Increased financial awareness. By seeing where your money is going each month, you'll gain a better understanding of your spending habits. Goal setting. YNAB helps you set realistic financial goals and track your progress towards achieving them. Debt reduction. By allocating a portion of your income towards paying off debt, you can become debt-free faster. Emergency fund building. YNAB encourages you to prioritize saving for an emergency fund, providing you with a safety net for unexpected expenses. How to track income in YNAB. Tracking your income in YNAB is a straightforward process. Create a budget. Start by creating a budget and categorizing your income. Allocate funds. Assign a portion of your income to each category based on your priorities. Track your income. As you receive income, add it to your budget. Adjust as needed. If your income changes or your spending habits shift, adjust your budget accordingly. While YNAB may not be the perfect solution for everyone, it's a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By tracking your income and allocating it towards specific goals, you can achieve financial freedom and build a brighter future. So, if you're tired of struggling with your finances, give YNAB a try. It might just be the budgeting tool you've been searching for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.